Wire installation is as easy as can be with Arrow's T59 staple family. Arrow's T59 insulated staples are the pro's choice when securing wires and cables. The insulated plastic will fit snug around your cables, keeping them safe and organized. Available in 3 sizes: 1/4 inch wide by 1/4 inch tall, 5/16 inch wide by 1/4 inch tall, and 5/16 inch wide by 5/16 inch tall. Each pack contains 300 staples. T59 staples are ideal for securing communication cables, such as Cat5 and Cat6 cables, RG6 and RG9 cables, coax cables, Ethernet cables, phone cables, and any other cable up to 5/16 inch in diameter. For most projects on the job or around the home, Arrow's steel T59 staples are perfect to get the job done. But when a little extra strength and corrosion resistance is needed, Arrow's T59 staples are also available in stainless steel. These staples are available in clear or black. Compatible with Arrow's T59 insulated staple gun. Thanks for stopping by the Arrow Workshop. Be sure to tag Arrow Fastener on social media. We'd love to see the projects you're working on.